Hello, Jolene. Tell me if this one is healthy or if the following pictures are healthy or not healthy.
Healthy!
What is this?
Apple is crunchy.
Is this healthy?
Yes.
Yes. Very good. Oh, how about this one? What is this?
Broccoli.
A broccoli. Wow, is it crunchy?
Yeah.
Is it healthy?
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh.
Hmm.
There's other
Hmm.
something.
Ay, look, Shayla.
Oh.
Oh, I think this is your favorite. What is this?
Okay.
An ice cream. Is this healthy?
Not yet.
Not yet. No, this is not healthy. Diba? Diba, Charlie Bingo? This is not healthy. Mm, this is not healthy. Hold mo.
That's all about.
Wow. Oh, what is this?
Popcorn.
A popcorn. Is this healthy or not healthy?
Not healthy.
Not healthy. Very good. Because this is salty, right? And there's an oil.
Wow. See, it's called a cookie.
Hmm.
It's called a
What is
avocado.
this? An avocado. Is this healthy or not healthy?
Healthy.
Healthy. Very good.
So yummy.
So yum. How about this one? What is this?
Pizza.
Pizza. Is this healthy or not healthy?
Not healthy.
Not healthy. Very good. You did great. Oh, what fruit is this?
Pear.
Pear. Is this healthy or not healthy?
Healthy.
Healthy. Very good. Wow. What is this? Cake. Is this healthy or not healthy?
Healthy.
This is not healthy because it's so
Sour.
sweet.
Sweet.
Yeah, that's not healthy
That's
because there's a sugar.
Oh, wow.
How about this one? What is this?
Pineapple.
Pineapple. Is this healthy or not healthy?
Healthy.
Healthy. Are you eating pineapple? Yes or no?
No.
Because it is?
Not healthy.
Nah, that's healthy.
It's not called a vitamins. So, sound.
How about this one? What is this?
Great.
Is this healthy or not healthy?
Healthy.
Healthy. Very good.
And
Yay.
then Charlie.
Look, oh. What is this?
French fries.
French
and
fries.
Jollibee.
In the Jollibee. Is this healthy or not healthy?
Not healthy.
Not healthy. Very good.
And then Charlie.
Oh,
Candy.
candy. Is this healthy or not healthy?
Not healthy.
Not healthy because it's so
sour.
sweet. But there are candies that is sour, but still that's not healthy. Okay? How about this one?
A pepper.
A pepper. Is this healthy or not healthy?
Healthy.
Healthy. Yay! Good job.
Nice.
Bye-bye ka na. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.